Hi there! Today you are going to spend 1 minute and 30 seconds to better understand on how to benefit from the Young Innovative status as a subsidiary. First, R&D expenses of the subsidiary should stand for at least 50% of the overall cost. This point leads us to what is R&D? Well, R&D is an increase in knowledge in fundamental research, applied research, experimental development. Practically it means identify goals but uncertainty on how to achieve them. Second, the group should be an SME. That means the group the subsidiary belongs to should be an SME per European regulation. That is, SMEs are with sales lower than 50 million euros per annum, balance sheet lower than 43 million euros, staff members lower than 250, and finally, owned by natural person or venture capitalists over 75%. Third is newness. What does newness mean? Newness means the company, the parent company, cannot transfer R&D expertise to the subsidiary. Rather, it should grow a new expertise on its own. Now, what are its economical fallouts? Well, for searchers, payroll taxes decreased by 65%. This decrease in social taxes is capped to 210,000 euros per year. That is a total amount of 168 million at the end of the 7th year. Now, as for corporation tax, the entity benefits from corporation tax exemption capped to 400,000 euros at the end of the 7th year. To secure the JV status, how to do? First, issue a prior notice request a priori, and second, issue a write-up a posteriori. First, the prior notice request, which has to answer to the query, is my subsidiary eligible to the Young Innovative status? Then you issue a prior notice request and you send it to the tax administration. A yes answer protects the company in case of change in opinion of the tax administration. Afterwards, the company has to issue a write-up on the job done, consisting in describing objectives relative to the R&D, setting out the state of the art, that is existing knowledge relative to the objective, describing the job performed, and finally describing difficulties and hazard encountered and deadlocks lifted. Can you add Young Innovative status with your research tax credit? Yes, you can! Want to know more about the Young Innovative status? Don't hesitate to reach out to us. Looking forward to reading from you soon. Bye then.